In today's lecture, we will deal with the gateway, that is J533 diagnostic interface. The gateway is the diagnostic interface. Okay. J533 is its code. I am Nilesh Changude, trainer at electronics course, Don Bosco ITI, Chinswad. In this slide, we will see what is database diagnostic interface. So this is the shows its basic principle. What does it basically does? The gateway or diagnostic interface is the device which transfers information from one system to other system. Okay, one control system to other control system. So it's a basic principle. You can see this. So he can transfer the information, get transferred from this point to this point, this point to this point. Okay, so like this, from this to this to this. Now what is first task? It exchange the data between the two CAN database system, that is the drive CAN database and convenience CAN database. So what it does, it can share the information in between two database system, that is one from drive CAN bus database system and second from convenience CAN bus data system. Now networking of the three system via the gateway. Okay, so you can network different database system. Let us say suppose drive CAN database which have a 500 kilobyte per second speed of data transmission, and let us take convenience CAN database and infotainment CAN database which have a speed of 100 kilobyte per second. So I have to exchange the information in between these two CAN database system. I need a device which is called a gateway. Okay, so basically what is the function of gateway? To transmit or share the information or data in different CAN database systems. The principle of a gateway. Now this one is the similar to a station where the different trains comes. Let us say this one is the red one is the train A and this blue one is the train B. Train A is the drive CAN database system and train B is the convenience or infotainment CAN database system. The red train have a data transmission speed is 500 kilobyte per second, and blue one have a data transmission speed of 100 kilobyte per second. If passenger in train A wants to move to train B, he can do that operation at a station. So this station, particularly this station, is a gateway. So gateway enables this. So one passenger from this train can shift to this train. Okay, and passenger from this train can be shifted to this train. Okay, so like this. So passenger from A to can move to B, and from passenger B to can move to A. So this is enables by the gateway. So what does the gateway basically does? It enables transmission of data of CAN bus systems which are having at different speed. Okay, so same thing is explained over here. Now example of data exchange between the CAN database systems. So this one is the example. In this system, drive data from drive CAN bus system is given to convenience CAN bus system. Okay, so this green is a outside air temperature sensor. It senses outside air temperature and sends this signal to instrument cluster unit, and that cluster unit is connected to the drive CAN. This one is the drive CAN, and from drive CAN data this is sent to this one is the gateway. Okay, so this one is my gateway. This data from drive CAN is sent to gateway, and from gateway whatever data is needed by the climatronic control unit. This one is the climatronic control unit or AC control unit. Okay, this one is the climatronic or AC control unit. So it accepts that data from gateway system and used it. That is outside temperature sensor data is that is from drive CAN bus system is used by the climatronic control unit, which is connected to the convenience CAN system. So data from drive CAN, which is having a speed of 500 kilobyte second, is converted to 100 kilobyte per second and fed it to the climatronic control unit. Okay, so like this operations takes place. Okay, now second one, what is the second task? Interface for databases. So we have a different databases. So gateway provide the database for different interface for the different databases. Okay, so suppose we have a this instrument control unit, hmm, different control units. We have a AC control units, huh? So different infotainment control unit, comfort control unit, huh? So different control units we have, and these are connected to a common interface, that is gateway interface. Okay, so all the information is passed through this interface, and one want to shift from one database to other, so that operation also performed over here. Okay, now what is the master function? Third task, master function. In a master function, so terminal 15 run on operation takes place over there. What is the terminal 15 run on operation? We will explain in the next slide. I will explain in this slide. So for task, the terminal 15 run on operation. And what happened if I make my ignition switch off? Even though I make my ignition switch off, some control units needs to communicate to each other. Even though my ignition switch is off, for that purpose, sometime I need to make power supply on to controller. So that is the basically a terminal 15 operation. Normally we receive power from K13 30 terminal. So you can see this one is the gateway. There are different control units. J104 is there, J220 is there, J509 is there, J217 is there. So these are the different control units, and these needs to transmit or share their information even though my ignition switch is off. So in this case I need to transmit the data. When I make the ignition switch on off, the power line shift from K13 to K15 line. You can see the K15 line is there. So here, so K15 line is there, internal K15 they have maintained here. K15 line, this K15 line is there, which makes their operation on and send the remaining data, which is data is in line, to different control units, so that they can complete their functions. So this is the basic terminal 15 run on operation. The operation takes place for the from few second to 15 second, and the off, that is sleep mode, is make on by the gateway. Okay, so gateway send the signal that okay, though you have performed all the operations, now go into sleep mode. Okay, thank you. I hope so you are getting whatever I have taught. Thank you.